Hi everybody, it's Jessica, the Dollhouse curator, and welcome back to the curated Dollhouse. I am recording this on Sunday, July 13th, and we are about to choose the winner of our 3,000 subscribers giveaway doll. I'm really excited. I have thought about how to select this winner 17 million different ways, and my son gave me the easiest way to do it with a random number generator. So I have that pulled up right here. I have went in, no, that is not the winning number. No, that's not. I have went in and made a list of all of the users and subscribers who made the comment for entry. And we had a total of 76 entries. Thank you. I did not expect nowhere near 76, to tell y'all the truth. The number I had in my head from the time I did this entry was this giveaway idea was 37. I expected 37 and we got double that. So I'm gonna do this. So I have 1 is the minimum. Our maximum number is 76. And I am going to hit generate. And our winning number is 25. On our list, 25 is to Wanda Griffin 1707. I will be in contact. I will put a message underneath your comment. Congratulations on winning that amazing doll. I'm really excited. I cannot wait for you to get her. She is absolutely amazing. And I am going to stop now, but congratulations. Thank you all for entering. I will definitely be doing this again. Y'all have absolutely made my heart swell and bust open because I literally expected 37 little comments and we got double that. So thank you so much.